Want to change your region or country on Instagram? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open Instagram on your device. Now head over to your profile. Then you want to tap on the edit profile option. Here, scroll down and find the option of public business information. You will find contact options here. Select that. Here, you will find your current location. Go ahead and select that. Now, you want to tap on the remove option over here. Tap on remove. Once you have removed it, now you want to enter your new region or country. So for that, go ahead and enter your new street address. Then select town/city. After that, enter your postal code. Once that is done, tap on the checkmark option at the top right corner of your screen. And with this, your new region will be successfully changed. Now you can simply tap on the tick mark option, then head back. And in this way, you can easily change your region on Instagram. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.